On today's episode, we visit the company at the forefront of commercial vehicle production, helping to keep the business world running smoothly. Expert insights into the commercial construction industry and its impact on the entire economy. Stormwater damage can be devastating, but one organization is leading the way with sustainable and efficient solutions. Plus, lots more as we go inside the blueprint. Infrastructure is at the heart of any successful business. And no matter what your business involves, you need efficient transportation you can rely on. Inside the Blueprint searched far and wide for the latest technological advancements in on-the-road safety and efficiency. An effort that led us to the Mercedes-Benz North America headquarters in Atlanta, Georgia, where marketing is managed for its Sprinter van lineup. The Sprinter is an ergonomic, eye-catchingly designed vehicle. It's both a work van and people van, providing performance for any lifestyle. Mercedes-Benz has played an important role in the history of the work van. It was over 100 years ago that Mercedes-Benz recognized the working world's needs for a vehicle that could take on heavy loads and not back down from any job. It was Mercedes-Benz that invented the van.
Over 100 years ago, Mercedes-Benz saw the need to bring a vehicle to the market that basically could haul cargo and do more work outside the scope of our passenger vehicle. And with that, we created the van. Another landmark moment would be when we opened our production facility in Ladson, South Carolina. In 2018, we switched from a SKD reassembly process to what is now a full scope production process in Ladson. With that, we've been able to increase volume, increase efficiency for availability for our dealers, and overall just take control of the process here in the U.S. The innovation is something that we look at year to year and try to say what's the next best thing for our products and our customers. Taking that feedback and creating those products is really exciting for me and my team. And as we look at that, quality and safety come to mind. From the start of the automobile to the current van, we look at the quality and safety that goes in our product, and that's something that as a brand we're very proud of.
The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter lineup provides cost-efficient, innovative, and technologically advanced work van solutions for any business.
Anything you need to carry cargo or people. We have a taxi cab, airport shuttles, but really if you can think of anything that you need to do in a mass capacity or to move things from one place to the other, our vans can do that. And I think as you get into some of the other more complex solutions of upfit and the customized variations of things, a lot of folks see our vans and see the plumber. So we have racks and shelves and all those things, but if you can dream it, we can put it in the back of a van.
In Ladson, South Carolina, at Mercedes-Benz state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, here possibilities are endless for upfitting solutions, ensuring opportunities to customize Sprinter in meeting a client's business and transportation needs. It's a van truly built for your needs, business or pleasure.
The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter is the most versatile Sprinter we've ever produced. Whether your needs are moving cargo, people, or anything in between, the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter can handle it. With features like crosswind assist, 360-degree camera, brake assist, and lane keeping assist, this Sprinter will help keep you on the road and safe. This new Sprinter has a touchscreen that is sure to give you all the technology that you need in a van. With gasoline engine or diesel engine, this Sprinter is sure to meet anyone's needs.
Sprinter vans offer cutting-edge innovation and technology, placing them at the forefront of the commercial vehicle industry. This ensures your drivers can do their jobs safely and efficiently.
This is the Sprinter 2500 4x4. Let's take a look inside. Nice wide door openings. The doors open all the way around. Very easy to get into. A nice step with a grab handle. Very simple to get into. Once you're inside, very high roof height. Most people can stand up. Nice hard floor with plenty of mounting points. Really a blank canvas for a customer to do anything they want. And with this headspace, which will easily fit a person over 6 foot, it's incredible back here. So the interior cabin is where the Sprinter really excels. As you can see here, we have steering wheel controls right at your fingertips for easy access of all your controls. In addition, we have this beautiful console here, which is called our MBUX. That's Mercedes-Benz User Experience. This is a touch screen where you can easily use your Bluetooth, hook up to your Bluetooth. You can easily go back and forth to your navigation and control everything at a touch of the finger. So one of the really cool features and technological features that we have, it's what's called Hey Mercedes. You can actually talk to the navigation system, talk to the MBUX system, and ask it to perform activities for you. So for example, I can say, Hey Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Turn on the heated seats.
I'm switching on the seat heating.
So as you can see, you can ask the system to perform a lot of functions for you. It's like having a co-pilot with you at all times. The best thing about the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter is that it can be customized to meet pretty much anyone's needs. We have a partner network of over 100 upfitters across the country that have gone through a rigorous certification process. So no matter what the customer's needs, no matter what they want, we're sure that we have an upfitter that will meet those needs and upfit the vehicle the way the customer desires.
For business efficiency, one of the most important technological advancements provided by Mercedes-Benz Vans with business-to-business connectivity solutions, giving you connectivity on the go. From live traffic updates, navigation and maintenance to fleet management and tracking, the Sprinter can be equipped to keep drivers, vehicles, and management connected. It's a cost-effective investment, the kind your business demands. Increased efficiency and enduring quality always pay off in the end, making the Sprinter one of the most economically efficient commercial vehicles available. For more information on the Mercedes-Benz line of Sprinter vans, visit mbvans.com/Sprinter. The U.S. Chamber of Commerce releases the Commercial Construction Index quarterly. Dodge Data and Analytics conducts a survey of contractors nationwide about the state of the commercial construction industry. Using this research, the quarterly report serves as a barometer for the economy as a whole. Media outlets such as CNN and Architectural Digest have referenced it in their reporting. The U.S. Chamber of Commerce Executive Vice President and Chief Policy Officer Neil Bradley is here to discuss the findings from Q1 2021.
It's based on three key measures. What is their current backlog, meaning how much work do they have and how long will it take them to work through that backlog of work? Second, what are their expectations about future work? Is it high? Is it medium? Is it low? Do they see the demand for their services rising or declining? And then third, of course, it all comes down to revenue. What are their expectations about revenue? Is revenue rising, staying flat, falling? We crunch the numbers across those three sectors, and it gives us an overall picture of the health of the commercial construction industry, and importantly allows us to compare quarter to quarter and provide predictions about the future. If you go back to the first quarter, the very beginning of 2020, the commercial construction industry was hot, red hot. Our index was setting new high records. The biggest problem was finding skilled workers to do the work. Of course, the pandemic changed all that, and like the rest of the economy, we saw a steep decline in work and future expectations in the spring and the summer. That began to rebound in the fall. 85% of commercial construction contractors tell us that they have a medium or high confidence in future work coming in.
Contributing $700 billion annually to the U.S. economy and employing more than 3 million people, commercial construction plays a vital role in the nation's economic rebound. It has remained an essential industry for the entirety of the COVID-19 pandemic.
The commercial construction industry is one of the crown jewels of the modern American economy. It not only provides the platform that allows commerce to happen, it's provides the place that all of us go to work and to shop and to entertain and to eat. Small business owners use the Chamber's Commercial Construction Index in a variety of ways. Of course, if you happen to be a small business contractor, one of the best ways to get insights about what's happening industry-wide is to look to the index. It's also useful if you're not in the construction industry. A lot of small businesses lease and rent space. Many of them hope to own their own space at some point. There are interesting things that happen in a pandemic. We had a hard time understanding why when we went to the stores, we couldn't get paper towels or toilet paper. The pandemic disrupts supply chains and creates weird anomalies in supply and demand. That's been true in the commercial construction sector, and in particular in the lumber sector. When the pandemic hit, we had some closures in the lumber supply chain. We had a downturn in production in anticipation that there would be less demand. But a funny thing happened. Folks wanted to improve their homes. Commercial construction continued in many ways apace because of the backlog that was already established.
The commercial construction industry has learned a lot from the pandemic. The landscape of how business will be conducted may have not only changed for the present, but for the distant future as well. The near future is looking optimistic, but the long-term impact remains up in the air. New trends are already emerging.
The pandemic accelerated a lot of changes that were already underway in how we shop, more online shopping, and how we work, more remote working and work from home. But it's also important to understand that at the height of the pandemic, it exaggerates those changes. Many Americans are anxious to get back into the office. There's going to be some marginal change, and it's quite possible that people will balance work from home with work from office. What this is going to mean immediately is that a lot of businesses are going to rethink the floor plan. We love to congregate around the water cooler and the coffee machine. I don't anticipate that communal spaces are going to go away. One of the things that we've learned in this pandemic is the importance of good ventilation systems, of scrubbers that clean the air that move through office buildings and retail locations. I think a lot of business owners are going to make investments, if they haven't already, in improving those systems. One of the interesting things that we'll be watching for at the U.S. Chamber, looking to measure in our Commercial Construction Index, is how employers, how business owners, rather than reducing their space, are reconfiguring it. For example, in the retail space, it might be that a lot of retailers devote more space to fulfilling online orders from their brick and mortar locations, or providing the curbside delivery that we've come to expect in the pandemic.
The U.S. Chamber of Commerce's Commercial Construction Index for the first quarter of 2021 is now available at commercialconstructionindex.com. For additional information, visit uschamber.com or insidetheblueprint.com. It's a precious resource. It sustains life. It nourishes our planet. But civil and industrial mismanagement of Mother Nature's rainwater causes problems, including billions of dollars in environmental and human damages. A 2013 Environmental Protection Agency report cites improperly managed stormwater as a leading contributor to underground water pollution, affecting streams, lakes, rivers, and drinking water.
The biggest single costliest mistake that businesses make when planning for stormwater intrusion is specifying the wrong system for the wrong application. So in the long run, this can cause big issues for your system in terms of water discharge, percolation, and also structural loading and performance of the system. Ultimately, this could cost a business owner millions and millions of dollars to replace in the long run. So it's better to specify the correct system up front.
As natural areas get replaced by roads, parking lots, commercial infrastructures, and other impervious surfaces, nature's ability to properly absorb rainwater and snowmelt into underground subsurface areas can be significantly compromised.
Hey Jesse, I heard you're going to the Evansville project in Indiana.
Yeah, aren't you?
No, I'm not going to this one.
Oh, man.
Are you taking the red bricks and installing them on this project?
No, you know these are way too small. These are just to show the brick bonding. I think the real stuff's going out today, though, right?
Yes, there's a truck leaving at 3 p.m.
Oh, okay, good. See you in Indiana.
Oh yeah, that was right on time. Thank you so much, Bob.
You're welcome. ACO's always on time.
Yes.
All right, all the material arrived. Let's get the contractor and get this started.
Let's go.
Solving stormwater damage head-on, mitigating and managing localized flooding on sidewalks, in parking lots, and surrounding terrain is a battle one modular water storage product is winning, leaving the competition literally upstream, not only at this installation, but across the U.S. and globally.
Yeah, they did a really nice job on this excavation. It's nice and flat.
Yeah, everything looks great. Arrived on time. All the products. We've got top covers, layer connectors.
Yeah.
Looks good. I think they're about to bring the second load down right now.
Yep, let's get it down here. It's been a speedy installation so far.
Yeah,
so.
Everything looks great. It was super quick. The main principles of ACO are our system chain, which is collect, clean, hold, and release. So the collect focuses on collecting all that storm water that's coming off of the streets or anything like that. It's the cleaning of the water, and then what Stormbricks is used for is that hold and release. So it's detaining all of the water and then releasing it back into the natural water course at a controlled rate.
Stormbricks was designed with speed of installation in mind. With a Lego-like concept, 2 units snap together in seconds. We also use a brick bonding pattern that overlap the joints that result in unparalleled vertical and lateral loading stability. All in all, on site, this could save the contractor by more than half of labor installation compared to the competition.
As a partner, it does not get any better than working with ACO. Not only do they provide us with a product that we can deliver to the market and provide solutions, but really with our end users, our customers, they love it because it speeds up their job and it saves them money, and we're able to do something that's unique.
What we've been able to do at ACO is marry up the German engineering and technology aspect of the products that we develop and take those proprietary applications, bring them here to the US, and enable our manufacturing and our processes here to maximize the utilization and efficiencies that we can bring to the table. That has allowed us to make an exceptional product that we can deliver to the marketplace today.
With regional offices in Ohio, South Carolina, and a state-of-the-art North American headquarters in Arizona, ACO USA reaches coast to coast, providing crucial stormwater management and end-to-end solutions for thousands of businesses, cities, and towns in all 50 states.
It's a crucial part of any kind of commercial or residential installation to take care of and manage that stormwater.
This system can be laid out in right-angle shapes, giving the engineer the ultimate ability to fit a lot of cubic foot of storage in a small space.
Stormbricks help solve the missing components of competitors' products in 4 main aspects: structural integrity, speed of installation, which is obviously important in cost savings for the contractor and more importantly the business owner. Thirdly is access and maintenance, allowing unprecedented access into the tank for optimum performance and cleaning. And lastly is logistics and handling.
We have developed an inherent supply chain platform that meets the US market needs. This supply chain is designed to meet the demands of our customers both on the eastern and western half of the US. Once our product is here in the distribution center, it has been fully tested, approved, and ready for shipment. This destructive test certifies both vertical and horizontal demands that will be put on the Stormbrick system itself.
For more information on ACO's advanced Geocellular Stormwater Management systems, visit them online at ACOUSA.com.
Welcome to Firestone Building Products. Come on, let me show you around. Firestone Building Products is committed to delivering innovative solutions that address customer pain points in the industry. The dependability of our products is really signified by our brand promise: nobody covers you better. Our product portfolio is broad, provides a breadth of coverage that allows you, as a building owner or a roofing contractor, to be able to select the right product for the environment you're working in.
Firestone Building Products is part of the legacy of Harvey Firestone. In fact, Harvey is best known as the founder of Firestone Tire and Rubber Company, but his legacy extends far beyond rubber. Harvey was at the forefront of the greatest minds of his generation, and his work made significant contributions that still impact us today across mobility, motorsports, retail, agriculture, and infrastructure.
Throughout his life, Mr. Firestone remained rooted in delivering innovative products to his customers, providing exceptional customer service, and creating an environment for his team. We're fortunate to be able to build on his legacy today. So our Firestone Building Products employees are at the heart of what we do. From our manufacturing facilities to our research and development crews, to our field sales teams, and even the teams here in the office. We want to create that environment for a long-lasting, collaborative relationship that goes past the test of time.
With building owners first in mind, Firestone roof systems are designed with the goal of providing the highest possible performance over the lifetime of the roof. This is why innovation is at the forefront of product development at FSBP. Dr. Amy Randall is the Director of Global Research and Development, leading a team of dedicated scientists and engineers who are constantly working together to uncover new solutions and advancements for Firestone's diverse roofing systems.
At Firestone, in our research and development team, we have a great group of talented and knowledgeable scientists and engineers who have created a robust innovation pipeline full of new products and technologies, and who work in our state-of-the-art laboratories.
Customer needs can be complex. FSBP Innovation is focused on products that improve performance and address market challenges such as labor shortages, condensed timelines, and unpredictable weather patterns.
Firestone Full Force EPDM is a new product that we launched, and it includes a factory-applied adhesive from seam to seam, and it uses our trademark Secure Bond technology, and what that does is it allows for an ease of installation on all of the rooftops.
FSBP is aware of the need for building owners to meet certain environmental and sustainable requirements in specific markets. They're committed to providing options to their customers that meet these needs and contribute to a building's energy efficiency.
In a building, most energy from heating and cooling is actually lost through the roof. So one area that we focus on a lot is green building requirements, specifically LEED requirements, vegetative roofing, and also natural light. We are designing our products with resiliency in mind to ensure that we focus on our long-term customer needs and the future trends in our industry, including carbon dioxide reduction, which is an area where some of our products like IsoGuard really help today.
Are you ready to head over to one of FSBP's manufacturing facilities in Muscle Shoals, Alabama, and take a closer look at the power behind their impressive roofing systems? The Muscle Shoals plant is one of Firestone's 13 strategically located manufacturing facilities in North America, producing both TPO and EPDM roofing materials. Eric Zimmerman leads Firestone's global manufacturing department, a team of dedicated people producing high-quality, durable solutions that customers can rely on.
This facility here in Muscle Shoals produces various grades of TPO membrane, and that's designed to meet all the architectural requirements and applications that we have. Additionally, this facility is the final step in the manufacturing process for our EPDM Full Force product line. So this team works very closely with R&D as well as the tech service teams out in the field to make all that innovation a reality. Here on line 5, we take TPO compound and turn that into calendared sheets. These sheets travel through the line, meeting various in-process testing, and get rolled up at the other end and distributed to all of our contractors and distributors. Here in the Quality Control Testing Lab, the technicians ensure that all the products leaving the facility meet rigorous standards. This ensures that the products that we supply meet the high-end performance on which our reputation has been built.
Aside from building their products with high-quality materials and advanced technology, Firestone also provides its customers with a dedicated team of representatives focused on meeting their needs. An affordable long-term warranty giving you the reassurance that your system will always be covered. So what can we expect from Firestone's roofing systems within the next 40 years? We caught up with the head of FSBP's marketing team to find out.
At Firestone, we believe that nobody covers you better. And what that means is we're committed. We're committed to being all in to have a successful roofing experience for every one of you, not just at the installation period, but also post-installation. What we want to make sure is that we're continuing to partner and collaborate with you. Reach out and have conversations around what is that next-in-class product? How can we continue to evolve and innovate now and in the future?
Interested in learning more about Firestone Building Products' innovative and sustainable roofing systems? Head over to firestonebpco.com. Thanks for watching Inside the Blueprint. For more information on any of the products you saw today, or to find out how to become part of the show, please visit InsideTheBlueprint.com.